Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, crypto stars, rock stars. Great to have you here with me this phenomenal morning on a Thursday, 12/12. Some interesting numbers there, huh? And just to give you a little side note, today or tonight, I would dare say, will be the last full moon for this decade, ladies and gentlemen. That's something to think about. You may want to do a clearing of all of the karma that you might have gone through within this decade that we're about to walk out of and go into the new decade. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you think about it, between 12:12 a.m. and 12:21 a.m., you're going to want to do a clearing of all of the karma you might have gone through in this decade that we are currently in and that we're about to exit out of. Now, with that being said, I am your host, Crypto DonFepe, and if this happens to be your first time here on my channel, great to have you. I do appreciate you being here with me this morning. Make sure that you do bang that subscribers button, okay? And also, most important, do so, bang that get notifications bell so that way you stay updated as I upload new content here for you guys on my channel. And if you've been enjoying the videos, the content here on my channel, and of course this current video that you're viewing right now with me, please do smash the thumbs up, guys. It'll help bring in more subscribers, and of course it'll help build my channel, as you already know. And as I always say, I cannot build this channel without my fellow rock stars, crypto stars. You guys know who you are, and I am truly grateful for you guys doing exactly that. Now let me give a massive shout out to the newest subscribers. Number one, truly appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel, as well as the old school subscribers. You guys know who you are. You guys are like the foundation from day one, okay? And you guys are still here with me, and I do appreciate that. And also, I've gotten a few donations yesterday and the day before, so of course I want to give massive kudos to you guys that have donated to my channel. I am truly grateful for that. And for any of you guys that want to help and donate, there will be addresses and of course my Cash App down below in the description, as well as opportunities for you guys to generate passive Bitcoin and commissions. All up to you. Just go down in the description. There are plenty of opportunities for you guys to look over, as well as OPM. If you're interested in OPM, it'll be a brief description down in that box. Comment OPM if you are interested in earning 60 to 70% or up to 70% in commissions paid out in Bitcoin, okay? And this is for serious inquiries only, okay? I'm serious now, like, we're not playing games with this one, all right? So let's do a little bit of Bitcoin price action as well as some altcoins as well, and a little bit of news for you guys today. And with that being said, let's get this party started quickly, right? You guys remember that song, Set It Off? For all you guys who is as young as I am, 48 years young. So now we currently see that Bitcoin is trading at $7,166.32, down 0.33%. And you can see that we are dipping somewhat, okay? And I think it's pretty good. Hey, let it go down a little more, so that way we can accumulate a bit more Bitcoin, because that way when it bounces back up, we'll be ready and we'll have some nice capital gains depending on how much you do accumulate. Now also we can see that Ethereum is currently trading at $143.40, down 0.6%. And of course the Banker's coin still floating around between 21 cents and 22 cents, down 0.65%. And also we can see the sister coin of Bitcoin, which is the Silver Bullet, is what I love to call her, is trading at $43.19. Litecoin is a sleeper, guys, okay? I have never said that, in my opinion, that Litecoin is one that's going to go down to zero. Like, Litecoin will be back. I will dare say that. So currently trading at $43.19, down minus 2.24%. We can also see Bitcoin Cash trading at $204.83, as well as BSV Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, which of course I call, just like Trevon, Bitcoin Stinky Vagina. Okay, currently trading at $92.32. And now that we've gone through the top 6 cryptos in Coin 360, we can also there say that the dominance of Bitcoin did go up somewhat. It was 65%, I believe, yesterday morning. Currently at 66.46%. So let's get into some news, ladies and gentlemen. And this is very important because, honestly, all of the FUD, all of what is being said about Bitcoin, you know, it is hilarious. But here we have Deutsche Bank, whose stock closes 95% down from the all-time high. But Bitcoin, hold on one second, guys. So Bitcoin is the fraud, right? Like, seriously, Bitcoin is the fraud, but this bank closes 95%. That's big. 95% down from the all-time high. What do you guys think about that one, huh? 95%. But let's continue. Being that Bitcoin is the fraud, right? And look at the illustrated image here. This is classic. This is classic. Gotta love it. So, we see that shares of Deutsche Bank by New York Stock Exchange, Germany's largest bank, closed just above $7 on Friday. The price is more than 95% from the stock's all-time high, over $155 in the summer of 2007, making Bitcoin look like an attractive alternative. Now, investors holding the bags on the stock have patiently waited for a recovery for 12 years, while many in the legacy finance world have called cryptocurrencies fraud. Others see the truth as the opposite. And of course, Ivan on Tech, who I do follow, and of course I watch his videos as well here on YouTube, he says, what kind of pump and dump altcoin is this? Over 95% from the all-time high. Oh, that's Deutsche Bank. That's the stock of Deutsche Bank. Big change is coming to the financial industry, ladies and gentlemen. Buy Bitcoin. And look at what we have here. Look at what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. Guess what's going to come next, going into this new decade? So, frauds within. Certainly, there are frauds within the cryptocurrency community. A host of companies have left investors holding their bags. Now, take, for example, the recent announcement by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, about the prosecution of the founders of SoFin. The ICO allegedly defrauded customers of $42 million through issuing non-registered securities. And some of you were on my live stream yesterday where we were talking about the situation between the Bitcoin Club network, of course, where they have defrauded their investors by way of Bitcoin mining. Okay, so I will leave the card that will pop up in this video if you guys did miss that live stream. I would recommend you guys do watch that. Now, however, it says that frauds certainly exist in the legacy financial world as well. News of Ponzi schemes like Bernie Madoff's or recent news of fines like those of Deutsche Bank own subprime mortgage boss abound. Now, the problem, of course, is that frauds in the larger legacy finance world are more expected now. Few are surprised at the constant barrage of backhanded deals and insider trades that make up Wall Street. So, however, because cryptocurrency is such a nascent market and has been widely hailed as revolutionary, frauds grabbed attention. what to do with Bitcoin. You can see here they got the hammer smashing Bitcoin. But let's continue. In conclusion of this article, guys, it says the situation, it seems, is that the financial world is filled with fraudsters. Yeah, right? Like these guys got bagged yesterday or the day before yesterday in regards to the 3 men with the, $722 million in fraudulent schemes, right? Again, there will be a video for you guys. The card will pop up towards the end of this video so you guys can catch it. So, it's funny that, okay, they did bad, they defrauded people, but so do these guys in the suits and ties that work within the financial world that we call the banks. Okay, let's not forget that. And they get away with so much. So, it says that whether in the legacy world or the cryptocurrency world, when money is involved, someone is sure to scam. Now, the answer is not to blame the overall industry. Absolutely not. To say that all cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are frauds because of one scam is irrational. Exactly. You can't blame Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency verse, right? The crypto verse, in other words, because of the 3 men who defrauded people of over $722 million by way of the Bitcoin Club network, right? Now it says here that logic applied to legacy finance, that logic applied to legacy finance would mean that every single member of the financial world is a wolf. Instead, even with government controls, investors need to be certain that they understand the instrument they're buying. Exactly, and education is key, ladies and gentlemen. The other important factor is highlighted in the tweet above. When trusted parties are involved, trust is sure to fail. However, Bitcoin is built on a trustless system, making it rise above the legacy financial world. Guys, buy Bitcoin, guys. Okay? And of course, you guys can see that down below in the description, there are opportunities for you guys to build a passive income earning Bitcoin. Okay? It's a good way to start, I would dare say. And I do not promote any type of fraudulent schemes. Okay? You will not see that in this channel. Now, of course, definitely check out Ivan on Tech. Make sure you do follow him on Twitter. And, we can see what's coming. We can see what's coming. Now, let me share with you guys what the moon has to say that I do find interesting. And then we'll call it the day, guys. So I hope you guys definitely have enjoyed this video. And don't forget, there will be a card that will pop up towards the end of this video. So that way you guys can definitely check out yesterday's live stream. So here we have the moon, right? And he says here that compared to the end of 2017, it seems no one is interested in Bitcoin now. Family and friends don't ask about it anymore. And when you show them the price chart, they'd rather wait for lower prices. You do know this is a great buy signal, right? Dollar cost average now. And it is. It really is. You can see some of the comments here. We got Charles Fuchs, good friend of mine. Only DCA on a uptrend. LOL. DCA is a crypto, and I do know DCA. We got Mia Tam who says, right, BTC goes against the market. We have Rex Jan /3B says, in what world? It's a 50-50 at best. And of course, we have Ivan on Tech who says, perfect strategy. Right there, perfect strategy. Make sure you guys follow Ivan on Tech. And yes, I agree, perfect strategy, because I did comment here as well. As you can see, Crypto DonFepe, the ultimate strategy. Ha ha ha. Alright. And of course, we can see Hakatoshi and so many more, guys. But do check them out. Make sure you guys subscribe, bang the get notifications bell. and give me a thumbs up.